Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one is secondary care medicines data. It's just the one table. There's 15 million rows of data, so it is pretty detailed. Data going back to January 2019. You can see the data here, so it's quite granular. You've got the VMP SNOMED Code, unit of measure identifier, and the unit of measure name, and the quantity. There is a video in the tutorial playlist for SNOMED. You want to have a look at that so you can understand how to join to the SNOMED pack to actually get the values. In fact, do you know what? I'm going to write that code now. Okay, I've had a play with the SNOMED schema and the DN+D schema. We understand exactly how to get the data into this system, as we've been explained by the data owners very helpfully years ago. But we don't actually use the data. So anyone watching this video, if you're familiar with this, you'll definitely know it. There's a DN+D video and there's a SNOMED video. Please watch those to help as well. Yeah, that's it really. Thanks.